Some very important vocabulary to know for this lesson. Right angle. A right angle is an angle that is exactly 90 degrees. Acute angle. An acute angle is any angle less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is any angle that is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Now let's look at the circle for a minute. Inside the circle equals 360 degrees. Knowing that the circle equals 360 degrees, if we fold it in half, that makes the line equal 180 degrees. Therefore, if we fold half a circle one more time, we have just created a 90-degree angle, or a right angle. Now we can use the 90-degree angle to help us determine if other angles are also right angles, acute angles, or obtuse angles. Now let's look at angle 1. This angle is greater than 90 degrees. As you can see, when we place the 90-degree angle we have on top of it, the angle 1 is wider, making this angle an obtuse angle, or greater than 90. Angle 2 is an acute angle. When we place our 90 degrees on top of it, we can see the angle is smaller than the 90. Angle 3 is a right angle. When we place our 90 degrees on top of it, it fits perfectly, making this a right angle. Let's practice what we have learned. Take a moment and pause the video to practice. Using the information we just learned, we know that acute angles are less than 90 degrees. We know right angles are exactly 90 degrees, and obtuse angles are more than 90 degrees, but less than 180. So because this one's already done for us, we know this is less than 90 degrees. Because a right angle is straight up and down. Therefore, if we look at B, it's not straight up and down. It's to the right, making this less than 90 and making an acute angle. C is straight up and down, meaning it's a right angle. D is more to the left than up and down, so it's an obtuse angle. E is definitely wider than a right angle, so it's an obtuse angle. F, if you turn around, it's exactly up and down, or straight. So this is a right angle. G is wider, so it's obtuse. And H, it's close to 90, but it's over 90, making it obtuse.